Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best ice cream makers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. The heavy-duty motor makes frozen yogurt, ice cream, sorbet, even frozen drinks in 20 minutes or less. You can add fresh ingredients to the mixing bowl, turn on the machine and go. It's fully automatic. The large capacity mixing bowl lets you make up to 1/2 quarts of your favorite smooth and creamy frozen treats. The mixes and aerates ingredients in freezer bowl to create frozen desserts or drinks. It contains cooling liquid within a double-insulated wall to create fast and even freezing. The double wall keeps the bowl cool and at an even temperature. At number 6 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. The frozen dessert maker features a heavy-duty motor and a double-insulated freezer bowl that holds up to 2 quarts of frozen dessert at a time. You can simply add ingredients, turn the machine on, and frozen drinks and desserts are ready in minutes. Its large ingredient spout allows for easily adding favorite mix-ins. And an instruction book and recipes come included. The frozen dessert maker measures approximately 8 to 1/4 by 8 by 11 to 1/4 inches. The fully automatic Cuisinart Pure Indulgence makes 2 quarts of your favorite frozen desserts or drinks in as little as 25 minutes. At number 5 we have Dash Ice Cream Maker. Dash Ice Cream Maker lets you make healthier homemade ice cream right from your kitchen. You control the ingredients and making it better for you and your family. The Dash My Pint Ice Cream Maker makes up to 1.6 cups of fresh ice cream. No complicated assembly required with this convenient personal ice cream maker. You can just freeze the cooling bowl overnight and pop in your prepared ice cream mixture in the morning. In less than 30 minutes you can enjoy homemade ice cream. The one-touch button starts the appliance with no effort necessary, so you don't ever have to monitor your ice cream. At number 4 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. The professional quality soft ice cream, yogurt, sorbet and sherbet is now available right at home. It comes with the Cuisinart Mix It and Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. It's not only does it make everyone's favorites, but with 3 built-in condiment dispensers it makes them extra delicious. You can just a pull of a tap send sprinkles, chips and other mix-ins down the chute. It is also to mix right into frozen desserts as cones or bowls are filled. Operation is fully automatic and you can simply pour in the ingredients and turn the dial. At number 3 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. At the touch of one button you can create 2 quarts of delicious frozen treats. Also comes with the Cool Creations Ice Cream Maker in just 20 minutes. You can making homemade ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt and sorbet of any type in any flavor couldn't be easier with one button operation. And convenient digital LCD time programming and auto shut off. The unique paddle makes fast work of processing. The sleek brushed metal housing makes it look as good as the treats it creates for your family and friends. The machine even features a countdown timer and shuts off automatically. At number 2 we have Whynter Ice Cream Maker. You can make delicious homemade ice cream that you can fully customize to taste with the Whynter. It is incredibly easy to use. You can create delicious ice cream, rich creamy gelato and sorbet all in the comfort of your own home. It is ideal for entertaining. This high-capacity unit makes up to 2 quarts of your favorite frozen dessert in a single batch. The full-featured ice cream maker offers premium functions not available in budget ice cream makers. It is made with BPA-free aluminum and comes with a removable mixing bowl and churn blade. This unit also includes an electronic timer, ice cream scoop and easy-to-follow recipe guide. The sleek stainless steel exterior and soft-touch LCD control panel will accent any kitchen counter. At number 1 we have Whynter Ice Cream Maker. You can create delicious ice cream, rich creamy gelato and sorbet all in the comfort of your own home. It is designed with an upright small footprint profile. This space-efficient ice cream maker fits easily on any countertop. It comes with a removable stainless steel mixing bowl and BPA-free churn blade. The unit can be operated in 3 convenient modes: ice cream mode, cooling only mode and mixing only mode. It features a sleek stainless steel exterior and soft-touch LCD control panel that will accent any kitchen counter. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best ice cream makers for your need.